Ever wondered how a 30-kilogram tropical giant becomes your favorite crispy snack? This isn't just fruit, it's Thailand's golden gift to the world. Yellow Circle, let's go behind the scenes of the magical journey of Thai jackfruit. Welcome to the land of flavors and dedication, a Thai jackfruit farm like no other. Today, you'll be taken on a breathtaking journey where each jackfruit is nurtured, harvested, processed, and transformed into a snack that delights the world. Sit back, relax, and let yourself be immersed in the enchanting story of one of Thailand's tropical treasures, the jackfruit. With its massive size and irresistible sweetness, jackfruit isn't just a beloved staple in Thai kitchens, it's a proud export product, loved in homes and markets across the globe. But have you ever wondered, where does it all begin? This magical journey starts with selecting only the finest seeds or grafts. On sandy, well-drained soil with a perfect pH between 6.0 and 7.5, under Thailand's warm sun and generous rains, jackfruit trees grow as if blessed by nature itself. Here, grafting is the go-to method, a secret weapon that allows farmers to shorten growing times while preserving the superior traits of the parent tree. These grafted trees are born ready, destined to bear massive, flavorful fruit. Once the young trees reach 30 to 40 centimeters tall, they're transplanted to the fields. The next chapter of their tropical journey begins. Each tree is given ample space, planted 8 to 12 meters apart to stretch, grow, and flourish. In the early stages, care is crucial, especially during the dry season. Water is as precious as gold. But water alone isn't enough, these trees also need a little grooming. Pruning helps shape the canopy, remove dead or diseased branches, and improve airflow, allowing sunlight and oxygen to reach every leaf and limb. A well-pruned tree isn't just healthier, it's stronger, ready to bear the weight of giant golden fruits. Of course, nature also brings its threats. Pests like fruit flies, aphids, and mealybugs are managed using organic pesticides and natural predators. Diseases like stem rot and leaf blight are kept at bay through strict orchard hygiene and disease-resistant varieties. After 3 to 4 years of careful nurturing, the reward arrives. The first jackfruits begin to appear. From March to June, it's harvest season, a time of excitement across Thai farms. Farmers carefully monitor each fruit for ripeness. The skin changes to a yellowish-brown hue, and a hollow sound rings out when tapped. These are signs it's ready. Harvesting jackfruit is an art. Using sharp knives or sickles, farmers delicately cut fruits up to 90 centimeters long and 30 kilograms in weight, all without harming the tree. In 2024 alone, Thailand produced 500,000 tons of jackfruit, a testament to the dedication and mastery of Thai growers. Once off the tree, the jackfruit begins its next chapter, the processing plant. Here, fruits are thoroughly cleaned and sorted, and only the finest make it through, destined to become high-quality dried snacks. Each jackfruit is washed to remove any dirt or debris, then peeled either by hand or by specialized machines, revealing golden flesh packed with nutrients and sweetness. Golden jackfruit flesh, the most flavorful and nutritious part, is separated with care, ready to be dried into a crispy, healthy treat. Meanwhile, fibers and seeds are not discarded. Instead, they're recycled into organic fertilizer, feeding the next generation of trees, a green, sustainable cycle in motion. Important note: never rinse jackfruit with water after cutting, as it washes away its natural sweetness. The next step: freezing at -35 degrees Celsius, a vital process that determines the crispiness of the final snack. A thin layer of frost on the fruit is the signal. It's ready for vacuum frying. Thai factories use modern vacuum frying technology, capable of drying 200 kilos of jackfruit per hour. This method evaporates moisture in a low-pressure, low-temperature vacuum environment, speeding up the drying process without compromising nutrition. The result? Up to 70% of the fruit's original form and nutrients are preserved, while shelf life is significantly extended. Then comes the final stage: oil separation. Why is this step necessary? Without removing residual oil, jackfruit snacks can spoil quickly. After frying, the fruit still carries a light oil coating. Workers place it into oil extraction machines, removing nearly all the oil, delivering a final product that's dry, crispy, and safe for long-term storage. The finished jackfruit snack has a vibrant golden color, a natural sweetness, a delightful crisp, and a distinctive tropical aroma. It's no wonder this product has become one of Thailand's most beloved exports, proudly lining shelves around the world. Have you ever tasted Thai dried jackfruit? What was your experience like? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us in creating more incredible journeys like this one. Thank you for watching until the end, and if you have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Goodbye, and see you next time.